OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren Edition unboxing after my intro. Welcome, I'm Techzilla, and in today's video I will be unboxing the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren Edition and taking a first look with you. The box looks premium in the black carbon fiber look with subtle McLaren branding on the front. Opening the box, the first thing you see is an orange pocket which houses an invitation letter and some pamphlets. Under these, we have the beautiful powerhouse, the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren Edition, which borrows from the supercar aesthetic of the limited production McLaren Speedtail. Resilient carbon fiber imparts a track-inspired appearance and ultra-premium feel, finished with a subtle accent line in McLaren's hallmark papaya orange racing tint. Hiding under the phone is the orange braided USB-C charging cable, which again looks and feels very premium. At the bottom of the box is the 30T Warp charger under a Never Settle branded flap. It is finished in a matte black and orange colorway, which looks much nicer than the white chargers you get with other OnePlus devices. And not to mention, this is OnePlus's fastest charger, capable of charging your phone to 68% in 30 minutes. Under the box is a secret orange panel which, once removed, reveals the case, which incorporates classic McLaren design elements. This precision-crafted signature protective case is accented in carbon fiber and Italian-made Alcantara, the same plush fabric that adorns the sophisticated interiors of McLaren's luxury sports cars. Taking a closer look at the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren, you can see that special subtle carbon fiber effect that dances as you tilt and turn the phone. Also, around the camera module you can see the famous papaya orange that McLaren are famous for, and with hints of it along the edges too. The metal frame is a glossy black finish, with the alert slider being in a metallic orange, again helping to break up that stealthy black frame. Looking at the front of the phone, you can see an uninterrupted 6.67-inch 90Hz Quad HD Plus panel, which looks stunning because, unlike many other devices, there are no notches, punch holes or water drops, making for a very immersive experience when viewing content. This is thanks to OnePlus's utilizing that pop-up selfie camera again. And that was my simple OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren Edition unboxing. Overall, I love this device and that premium presentation that it comes wrapped in. It will go on sale on the 5th of November, priced at £799. If you are thinking of buying one of the new smartphones, then use my link in the description below to get money off any accessories which you purchase with your device. I will be making many more videos about the OnePlus 7T Pro, the McLaren Edition, and the OnePlus 7T. So smash that subscribe button and bell notification icon so you don't miss those videos. Give me a thumbs up and share my video to help me grow the channel. Until next time, take care and peace.